Hello everyone. Today we will discuss function overloading question from board paper 2016. Now question says design a class to overload a function sum series. Now we have to declare two functions named sum series. In this what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to print summation of series. Okay. Now let's proceed. Whatever overloading question comes, we just have to simply declare a class, name of your choice. Right now I am giving function over 16 because it is from board paper 16. Now I will directly copy paste the prototype from the question paper as it is. Right? Now we will write first function. What it says, it is having one integer argument and one double argument, and we have to find summation of this. Okay. X upon 1 minus x upon 2 plus x upon 3 and so on up to the n terms. From where n is coming? Both of the parameters of this function will come from PSVM. Now what is my job? I have to simply do summation. So what I will write? Int s, I will declare one variable to store summation, or we can write sum, which is in the beginning 0. I will run the for loop for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, because we have to find how many terms? N terms. And every time plus 1. Why? Because it is starting from 1, 2, 3. See, I am talking about denominator, guys. 4, 5 up to the n terms. So last term will be what? Last term of the summation will be x upon n. Okay. So now I will write sum is equal to sum plus, very simple, x upon I. This is done. But there is an issue. What's the issue? Guys, see here. Signs are different. One time negation, one time addition, one time subtraction, one time addition. Right. So we have to take care of that as well. We have to find summation, but keeping in mind different signs of each term. Now if we look at it carefully, what it is doing, when there is even denominator, we are subtracting. When there is odd denominator, we are adding. Even denominator, we are subtracting. So what will happen? In this, I have to write if I modulo 2 is equal to even. If it is even, then what am I supposed to do? I have to write sum is equal to sum minus x upon I. Okay, this is what? This term is what? Where denominator is even. If is over. Next, else. Else what? Sum is equal to sum plus x upon I. Clear? In short, what are we doing? We have to do alternate subtraction, summation, and so on. So this is done. We completed the for loop. Function is over. Class is over. So what we did in this? We just wrote first function. Sum series. What will happen? How I value will go? I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to n terms. From where n is coming? From public static void main it will come. We don't have to ask it from user. We have to declare sum as double, because we are adding the summation of series where quotient is involved. Numerator and denominator is there, so that's why we have to declare summation as double sum. Now let us look for the second function, void series sum. 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 into 3. See people, here we have to take care of two things. One is the series is going from 1 to 20, but every time it is adding which term? The successive product is getting added. So let us proceed. How will we do? We will declare one variable void sum series. I will declare one variable double sum is equal to 0. I will run the for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 20, I plus plus. Here it is not sum is equal to sum plus I. We don't have to add 1, 2, 3, 4 till 20. Right? We don't have to add that. What are we supposed to do? We have to add successive product, that is 1. Then I have to add 1 into 2. Then I have to add 1 into 2 into 3 plus next term will be 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. If I see this carefully, we can observe that 1 into 2 is as it is, that is product 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Now here 6 is same and we have to multiply it with 4. So we have to declare before addition, we have to declare one variable which is storing successive products. What is x? This variable int x will be 1 in the beginning. So what will x hold? Let us check. First it will store 1. Why? What is the value of I? We will start from 1. So what will it hold? 1 into 1, that is x is having 1. Next time, already x is having 1. New value of I, that is, see this is, let us write about I here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. And here, what is x? We will write, okay. So first time x is 1, next time what will happen? Value of I will become 2, 2 into 1. So now new x is what? 2. Now when value of I is 3, what will be new value of x? X is already holding 2, it is already holding 2 and new value of I is 3. So 3 into 2, that is, it will store 6. Now new value of x is 6. Incoming value of I is 4. So 6 into 4, that is 24 will be added and here we will write sum is equal to sum plus x. I hope this makes sense. Okay. Now after coming out of the for loop, I will simply print it. System.out.println sum of series 2 is equal to, we have to put double quote. Okay. Sum of the series 2 is plus sum. And here series sum series function is over. Same message we will need to print where? After the for loop here. Sum of series 1 is equal to sum. We can use both time the same variable. Why? Because they are only local variables to the function. Now let us run this. But before execution, we have to declare the PSVM. See, in examination, you are not supposed to write PSVM because that is not expected. Now here, we will write public static void main. Why am I writing this? To check whether the program is working successfully or not. Okay. ob dot sum. What is the function name? Sum series. And I will pass two variables. Okay. For first function, we have to pass the variables and for second function, we don't have to pass anything. Okay. Let's see what it is expecting. It is expecting how many variables? Two variables. One is x and one is integer. That is how many terms. So it is, suppose if I say 10 terms and with value of x is 2. Okay. Now we will run this. Before running, let us quickly see the program. We have to declare I variable. In this also, I think we have to declare integer I. You can declare in the for loop. We have to comment the program. We have to comment the question, right? Now we will run it. There are error OB. Yes, we have to declare OB as well in PSVM. What is the class name? Before using, we have to declare it. So what is it? Fun over 16 OB is equal to new fun over 16. I declared it. Now we will run it again. Program is compiled successfully. Now we will run it. See, sum of series 1 is this and sum of series 2 is the 4.6 and 4.63, so on. Now, let us look at the program again. If you have any confusion that whether it is coming perfectly or not, you can add up one statement. Which statement? System dot out dot print ln, and I'll see whether it is coming or it is taking all the terms properly or not. We can write it here, okay? If you want to see, you can add this line and run the program again. Which line? This line. You can write and check at your compiler. Now, this is the way we can do the program for function overloading. In your examination, you don't have to write public static void main. We just check, we just wrote it to check whether program is working properly or not. Okay. So this is series sum second function, and this one is series sum first function. Thank you.